How to integrate Google Sheets to a contact form in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a connection between a Google Sheets and also a contact form on Squarespace. This is going to be a extension or a linking with having names, also information about customers into a Google Sheet page. For example, you can go ahead and have different type of let's say sheets, like having the names, having the information, phone number, email addresses, and etc. into this place. So how we can do it, it is going to be very simple. Head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Head over your website, head over your pages, select your page and click on edit. After that, we are going to select a place where we are going to have a form. So I would like to have this section. I'm going to have a form here. So I would like to take it here. Let's see. I'm going to add a form here as a block. Type in form. Boom. Now this is our form. As you can see, we have the form fields such as first name, last name, email, subject, and message. I'm going to click on the form, click on edit. Now I select only the storage and we're going to manage the submissions. So a little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses, phone numbers, names are going to be created only for the sake of video, not for anything else. Make sure that you're going to use your own information. So this is the form submission. So basically I'm not going to interfere with the submissions here, but on the additional storage, you're going to connect Google Drive. So when you connect Google Drive, it is going to create a Google Sheet file to have everything on the storage right there. This is the only way how you can set them, because Google Sheet is going to be a product from Google, and it is going to be related directly to Google Drive. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.